Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm excited to share this month's Stamp and Die Hard Club set with you because it's just so adorable. I just can't stand it. What is it? What is it? What is it? It is called Sweet Summer Hats. Sweet Summer Hats. And let me just tell you, I love this one. Let's look at it like this. So we have these beautiful hats. Perfect for every day, perfect for tea parties, for the summer, the spring, whatever you want. We have a mini version, two mini versions of the hats. Life is better in the sunshine. Big brims, big smiles, relax and unwind, sending you a little shade of love. You're sensational. We have a cute little flower. We have these fun bows. Bows are everywhere right now, right? They're so popular. So our Stamp Club members, boom, get this sent to them automatically each month, a brand new stamp set. Photopolymer in photopolymer, and so awesome, right? But there's a lot of you out there, and I'll be honest, I'm one of them that refuse to stamp and get my scissors out and try to cut them out. That is why the Die Hard Club is our most popular club still. It's the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but the dies that match. Now, for the dies, you are getting the inside dies and the shadow dies. So if you want to stamp and then die cut your image so there's no shadow, yes, you can. If you want a shadow, yes, you can. So the choice is yours. You are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dies in this set. Now, I have a few samples to share with you, but I want you to go watch the next video because that has all of the add-on items as well to make this collection amazing. Now, Stamp and Die Hard Club members, of course, you get an idea card that has a couple ideas on it, as well as all of the add-on items. Once the stencils, though, that you'll see in the next video are gone, they're gone forever. So make sure you get those ASAP. So let's look at a couple samples. This is actually a sneak peek, this background die, because let me just tell you, isn't it, first of all, adorable? But BC, one of my good friends that I hope to see soon, gave me that idea, so we came out with it as a background die, but look at how cute that is. Now, this fence is also a sneak peek. Now, let's look at this one. Look at how cute that little hat is. Isn't that adorable? It's just so precious, and on those fancy edge rectangles, I love it. Here's another one. Look at how fun that is on the step-up card. Just those cute little hats are just so precious. Now, here's another one, but again, this one also has a sneak peek in it. That's going to tell you how exciting that is for those other items, so go check it out. So go check out the next video. I want you to see it, but Stamp and Die Hard Club members, you get to sit back, relax, and know that these two items are already on their way to you. But make sure you go check out the website for the add-on items because the first 24 hours they are on the website. They're on flash sale. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.